Craig Smith is from University of Hawaii in Manoa. I read that your major research interest is in seafloor ecology and oceanography, and you're also one of the leaders of the Antarctic project called Food Banks too. So, what do you think is the main knowledge gap in the sea ecology?
In marine ecology?
Yes, yes.
Well, I think some of the major gaps, many of them are in deep sea biology, what we know or don't know about the deep sea. And we still have, there are big gaps in knowing the levels of biodiversity in the deep sea and how broadly species range, and also how likely extinctions are likely to be from things like marine mining. We also have a lot of gaps in understanding how marine ecosystems will respond to climate change. And that's actually one of my research interests now, is working in Antarctic fjords that appear to be very sensitive to climate warming. And so we're doing studies and models to try and understand what will happen as the climate warms.
And in which direction do you think the research in deep sea will go on, will advance?
Well, there's a lot of interest now in understanding biodiversity patterns, connectivity, how connected populations are on different scales, and also resilience to, again, things like climate warming, deep sea mining. There's a growing interest in mining at the ocean floor. And I think we all expect that there will be major local effects, but we don't know how significant the regional effects will be from mining activities, for example.
And about the symposium?
Oh, I think the organization has been excellent. It's really one of the best, maybe the best run deep sea biology meeting, I think, so far. And quality of science is excellent. It's really good. The Deep Sea Biology Symposium has been going on for a while, every 3 years since 1981. And so I've been to a lot of them, and they're always very interesting meetings. But they've also grown a lot. Deep sea science has grown a lot. It's much more sophisticated, and it's one thing that's really nice about this meeting is there's a huge involvement of young people, of students, which is a really nice trend to see.
It's a small community that studies the deep sea.
Yeah, deep sea biology is a relatively small community. There are 350 participants here, but it is growing. And I think there's, especially with human resource exploitation activities moving into the deep sea, oil drilling, mining, and also the recognition that climate change is affecting the deep ocean, has spawned a lot of interest in scientists, and also it's allowing more research funding to go into deep sea biology.